Hello guys, welcome back with me, Lord Chow Chow 2025. In Let's Learning Excel, today we're going to learn about Sparkline. Sparkline is some kind of graph, but instead of making like its own graph square, it put the graph in a cell. So, for example, let's see here. So I'll insert, and this is the Sparkline that we are talking about. You could make like line, column, and win and losses. Line, a sparkline for column to the right. It's a graphic of line, and you could place it in this part or whatever, as long as you have the same kind of rows. Sparklines will be able to be created anywhere, as long as the data range and the location range has the same rows. So it doesn't need to be right on the right. You could put it below or somewhere else. So how it looked like, let's see. Yeah, this is line. It's like graphic, right? Columns, it's the same thing. So insert and then columns, block it, and blocks the location range. And it's gonna create a graph in the cells column, right? Nice. Win and loss is a different thing. Win and loss is working like, positive, zero, and negative. So it's called win or loss. It doesn't matter how big the score is. So for the example, we gotta use this. Cheat solid this, not that other way around. So yeah, this is 1 minus 1 and 1 and 0 is going to be blank. And if you choose like big data like this, it doesn't matter. It's the same with 1. Anyway guys, I think that's it for today's video. Hope it's helped. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.